Accelerite ShareInsights is a self-service big data analytics tool that helps banks leverage data from multiple customer touchpoints to create customer-centric services. In this demo, we will create a dashboard that showcases the expense history of a customer along with the forecast of his future expenses. We'll show you how, within minutes, ShareInsights can assemble the dashboard and provide you with meaningful insights. Start by adding a flow line, which is a series of transformations applied to a dataset. Raw datasets can be found using the Dataset panel. Let's select the banking transactions of retail customers from the existing datasets. ShareInsights comes with a library of ready-to-use tasks that cover all standard as well as advanced analytics functions. Let's use a task to filter debit transactions. To do so, drag and drop the Filter by Task to the Flow line and enter the filtering criteria in the Configuration panel. Add a new column for expenses using the Add Column task. Finally, apply the Group By task to get the total expenses by merchant. Once the ETL flow is complete, the output can be quickly visualized using a widget from the built-in visualization library. ShareInsights runs OLAP operations directly over Hadoop, which eliminates data movement and enables rapid processing and visualization of massive data volumes. This also ensures foolproof security and governance of data. Now, let's use the pie chart widget to view the expense distribution by merchant. To further refine your analytics, add more flow lines. For example, to forecast expenses, you can apply a machine learning-based forecasting model using ShareInsights extensible tasks. Similarly, increasingly complex analytics workflows can be added using datasets, widgets, tasks, and flow lines. The last step is to publish the completed pipeline. You can also alter the view of a published dashboard using the Layout Editor and create your own customized view. Here is the final forecast expenses dashboard for all users. The dashboard showcases the graph for current as well as forecast expenses, followed by an envelope redistribution per month for a selected user. ShareInsights opens up new opportunities for banks to effectively utilize all their data. To know more about ShareInsights, visit www.accelerite.com/ShareInsights.